Hi, I'm Bethany with Craft with Bethany, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you my favorite way to organize all of my sewing supplies, whether it's in my sewing room or to take it on the go. As you know, I love to travel and I love to travel to sew. I love going on retreats, I love taking classes, I love going to expos and events, and I love being able to take all of my projects with me. So I always have something to work on. Well, one thing that's super important about traveling with your supplies is making sure that it stays safe and organized. So today I'm going to walk you through some of my favorite bags that I use from Yazzii Bags. Now, you're probably already familiar with Yazzii Bags if you've been sewing or quilting for any length of time. And if you've gone to an expo recently, you've probably met Yazzii herself at one of her booths at one of the shows. One of my favorite parts about visiting her booth, besides seeing all of the beautiful bags, is seeing the ones that people have embellished and decorated, because you can do a lot of fun things to personalize these bags. Yazzii's Bags truly has something for everybody, whether you're a quilter, a crafter, a sewist, whether you do garment sewing, bag making, it doesn't matter. There's something for you. So with no further ado, let's dive into some of these bags and I'll show you why I love them so much. Yazzii Bags are quilted, so they're nice and sturdy and strong and have a little padding to keep all of your supplies nice and safe. For big tote, this is the carry-all. It does have some great sturdy handles. It's nice and deep, as you can see here, very well structured, and these bags come in several colors so you can pick and choose. You're going to see all of the colors in a variety of different bags today in this video. So let's open up the carry-all bag. I always like to show this information sheet that comes with each of her bags so you can get different ideas of ways that you can store supplies in her bags, because there's so many endless options. Inside the carry-all bag, it really does carry it all. I'm able to fit so much into these different pouches, and there's always a hidden pouch that I forget is there, so you just have to check for all the zippers. So like, for example, there's one up here right above these clear pouches where I've got an entire layer cake in there and I could easily fit more. But then I have all of these clear visible windows of different sizes so I can see everything that's in here and keep everything nice and safe. What I love about these pouches is they're in like a book, so I can just turn a page and see what I need. I love these long skinny ones. A great place for me to store some of my favorite rulers so they don't break. Got my specialty scissors, my quilting gloves, trims, more rulers and tape. And I have 2 full quilt projects in here, including all of the pattern pieces and extra material to be able to finish my projects. I could easily fit so much more in here. This is why this bag is called the carry-all bag. Truly the one that if you need to take everything everywhere, this is the one for you. I will be restocking this for my upcoming girls trip to go do all the fun sewing over a weekend. And I have lots of projects, including finishing these 2. All right, let's see my next favorite bag. If you know me at all, you know that I love to collect pre-cut fabrics. Pre-cut fabrics are so fun to display, but also I'm starting to sew with them. So that's why the fat quarter bag is one of my favorites. The fat quarter bag obviously can store a lot of fat quarters, but don't forget about your jelly rolls. There are so many in here and I could easily pop another one in. There we go. I actually have 5 fat quarter bundles stacked into this bag comfortably. Some are rather full, and I love that I can fit so much right into this easy to store bag with a nice clear window. The double zippers on her bags also make it really nice to keep everything secure, and a nice strong handle for this to take all my material on the go with me, or just to keep it stored nice and safe. Now I've shown you 2 large bags, but don't sleep on the small ones either. Yazzii sells these fun little bags. These are 2 little pouches that come in a set. These are great to store your jewelry in, or little knickknacks, buttons, accessory feet for your sewing machine, whatever you need. to just stick in any little pouch or bag. This is a great bag called the travel pouch. The travel pouch is perfect for when you need something quick on the go. Maybe you've just got a road trip and you want something to work on, or you're waiting at the doctor's office. This is a great pouch for just a quick grab and go project. In here, I've got a project tutorial and a couple of things of fabric so I can start that next project. This bag has actually been my most used, and that might kind of surprise you because it's definitely not the biggest bag I have. But I'm going to open it and show you why. First of all, this is the craft box bag, and it includes 3 additional pouches. I take that back, 4 additional pouches. This one has 2 little pockets and a big one. This one has 1 big pocket. This is another one with 1 big pocket, and then this one has 2 pockets. So you've got some variety, but I love that you can just pop them out if you don't need them. For example, I'm using this bag right now to store a lot of threads. It's got a nice little divider right here to keep everything safe. I could easily fit more in here if I wanted to, but it's a great bag for storing threads or all sorts of materials and projects that you're working on. I've also used this a lot as my toiletry bag for traveling. So I travel quite a bit, and I love that I can put all my toiletries in here and it lays nice and flat. It's got some depth to it, but not too much, so it fits perfectly in my suitcase without taking up too much space. It's got a nice handle so I can take it easily in and out of my bag and into the bathroom when I'm traveling. But for right now, I'm storing my threads in it because I've been doing a lot of applique, and having a lot of thread colors for my applique really matters. So I've thrown them all in here and I can take them with me on the go. Now this here is the Notions 3-piece pouch set. And I don't have anything in them right now because I wanted to show you some that just don't have supplies in them yet, so you can see how nice they really are. The quality is really, really good. You can see that clear vinyl. You've got the quilted back. This is another fun color in purple. So this one right here is called the Craft Folding Kit. Kind of reminds me of a Trapper Keeper. And folds open just like this. So you can store so many supplies. This one is probably my favorite go-to for all of my sewing supplies when I go to sewing club or a retreat or a class, because I have a nice deep pocket here where I can easily store my bulkier notions, scissors, pins, all sorts of things right here. And then I have smaller pockets that still have gussets, so I can put some bulk here as well, like my entire rotary cutter. I can put stuff here, right here in the middle, and open this up right next to my machine and have plenty of access to all of my sewing supplies while keeping up with it and not losing anything and keeping it nice and organized. So that is why this one right here, the Craft Folding Kit, has truly become one of my favorites. This is the Craft Project Folder. It has a nice little handle at the top, nicely quilted. It does have a small gusset on the side, so you've got some depth to put quite a bit in here. And you've got a nice clear window to see what's inside. So in this one right now, I have my next project, which is the pattern for my next quilt, and some fabric, which is a charm pack, which I could easily fit so much more into this pouch. But this is great for just organizing all that you need for just one project. Now this little guy right here, he's super cute. Has a handle, and he might be mini, but he's mighty and holds a lot. This is the mini organizer. When you open it up, it's just a bunch of pouches full of stuff. So you can put notions in here. I've got my needles in here. I've got more notions, my little rulers and pins. I've got another ruler and some rickrack, and then even some bulkier items in the very back as well. So this one is another great option for storing all of your notions and things you need for your next class or project that you're working on. This is the mini organizer. Last but not least, this one is called the Block Showcase Bag. It does have a nice handle as well, and it's got a nice deep side to it, but it's got a double zipper instead of a Velcro opening. This one is perfect for that bigger project that you're working on. In here, I have the entire backing for my quilt, my entire quilt top that's made, and my extra pieces for sashing and borders that I want to add to it before I finish it up. So I have everything in one safe space so I don't lose any of it. And with this clear window on the front, I know exactly which project I'm storing. So when I go to my next project class or retreat and I want to finish this, I know which one to grab. With so many Yazzii bags to choose from, you really cannot go wrong. I highly recommend these wonderfully crafted, quilted organizer bags for your next project, whether you're quilting, sewing, or crafting.